Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friend. Your Chef Shaikh here again. Today recipe. Today we're cooking chicken roast and with veg. I go in veg is carrots. We're gonna do carrots with fry it in butter and honey, and we got some broccoli. So with broccoli as well. So okay, what ingredient I'm using in there, I will show you before I start, and ingredient will be end of the video as well. So shall we start now? Okay, friend, I got here a salt, a black pepper, chaat masala, red chili, and the peri spices, and I got cumin powder, I got mixed herb, and I got some yogurt. Okay, so we're gonna mix this. Okay, so first I move this on one side so you can see it properly. Okay guys, first I'm gonna put some salt. It's about half spoon salt. I'm putting black pepper. It's about 1 spoon, small 1 spoon black pepper. And I got some mixed herb here. 1 spoon, and I'm gonna put about 2 spoon chaat masala, and I got this peri spices. I'm putting about 2 spoon peri spices. The cumin seed powder, 1.5 spoon cumin seed powder, and I got red chili about half a spoon. Bit less than half spoon. Okay guys, and I'm gonna put some yogurt. It's not much yogurt. It's about 4 big spoon yogurt. Okay guys, and I'm gonna put some oil in there. I'm gonna put some olive oil. This is the mix of olive oil. Yeah, you can put any olive oil you want. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this all together. Okay guys, it's all ready. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour, and better if you can leave it longer. If you can leave for 5 hours, it will come with very nice taste. As long you can keep, you get a nice taste. Okay, let me wash my hand. Okay guys, I'm gonna put cling film on top. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna leave 1 hour in the fridge. Okay. Okay guys, it's nearly 1 hour there, and I left it in the fridge. And before you start cooking, you have to take about 15 minutes before out of the fridge and leave it on one side. Okay. So I'm gonna start place chicken. Now I'm gonna put foil on top of that. Okay. And now I'm gonna put one slightly hole on the top of that. Yeah. Okay guys, this ready. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven, and it will be about 1 hour 15 minutes. It will be in oven. Okay. Alright friends, so I'm gonna put this chicken for 1 hour 15 minutes, and it will be 180 degree. Okay. So see you in 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken is nearly ready. It's been there in 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 and 20 minutes. So by time it's getting ready, we prepare for our vegetables, which is gonna serve with chicken. Shall we start now? Okay friend, I already put some butter in there. When is butter melted, okay, I'm putting some carrots. It's already half boiled, these carrots. And I'm just gonna just sprinkle of salt. So I just put a sprinkle of salt in there. It's already half cooked. these carrots here, half boiled. I'm gonna put a little bit honey on. Not too much, just a little bit honey on. Guys, this carrot is ready. Just put for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put some more butter in there, and slightly I'm gonna put some olive oil. Okay, slow this down, heat. Okay, I'm gonna pinch of salt. I'm going to put some chaat masala in there, pinch of salt masala, this pinch of cumin seed powder, and this pinch of mixed herb. And I'm going to put broccoli in there. Some more olive oil. We got this ready. This one's ready. Okay. I'm using some carrots, which I peeled the carrots here. This skin. This is broccoli bits and a carrot skin. Okay, this is ready. This off. Okay friend, this chicken is ready. I'm gonna take this out. Okay guys, chicken should be ready. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out in a dish. Okay guys, this dish is ready. This is spices roast chicken with the carrots, with the honey, and broccoli with the spices, and serve with the sauce. So what do you think about it? If you like it, please subscribe my channel and give me feedback in comment section. Thank you. Friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.